Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and see our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous truck, man. This is a 1966 Chevrolet C10, complete frame-off restoration. Beautiful truck, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Love this thing. I love the two-tone. It's a turquoise and white. It's got a, I'm going to call it gold interior. Beautiful, beautiful truck, man. Chrome Chevrolet rallies on it with the spinner caps. I think they're 255 60/15s all the way around it, so good sized tires. Very recent frame off restoration. Truck's as nice on the bottom as it is on top. And I'll tell you what, man, get in the thing, turn the key, and just go cruise it. It just runs and drives excellent. Beautiful paint. Chrome and stainless is nice. The wood bed in there is gorgeous. Love this truck, man. My buddy down in Tennessee is the one who actually found this truck for me. Truck's out of Georgia. Again, recently restored and very, very nicely done, man. You can see how nice that trim is on the truck. Sits good. I mean, that is just a nice C10 right there. I really did. Sorry, that's just a few bugs there, guys. I didn't see much on it. You could really nitpick on the paint. Couple little touch-up marks. But man, very, very nice. You can see they've replaced all the chrome and stainless. It's just a couple little bugs there if you see that. Look how pretty that paint is, though. I know the wipers aren't working. I'm pretty sure those are vacuum in 66, so the only way to get them working is really to put a electric kit in them. The vacuums just don't work real well. I love the two-tone. Glass is nice. I love the 66 body style too, man. I love where the front marker lights are in the hood, the turn signal lights are in the hood. Really cool interior. Of course, it's got that cool cab line. This is a darker wood. Did a nice job in there. Yeah, I like this truck, man. Pretty truck. Can nitpick that bezel a little bit. That one looks brand new. That one's probably original. Bumpers are super nice. If you want to pick something, there's a little pitting in here. Again, nothing that I'd mess with. This truck's nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, new rubber. It's got the chrome exhaust tips on it. Yeah, that's a killer truck, man. Chrome rallies with the spinner caps. You can see how nice the wheel wells are. Front disc brake conversion. Very nice underneath the hood, man. This thing is detailed up really nice. 350 Chevy small block, Edelbrock intake, stock intake. I'm sorry, I said Edelbrock intake. Edelbrock carburetor, stock intake. It's got the old ram's horn exhaust manifolds on it. Power steering, again converted to power front disc brakes. 700 R4 overdrive trans. Nice truck, man. Look how clean that thing is. That's nice truck, man. Mirrors are nice. Has just little bugs on it. Door handles are nice. Bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. All brand new carpet, new sill plates. Little rub mark there in the paint. Factory bench seat, that's all redone. This gold is pretty in here. It's got the white stripe down the seat. Again, glass is nice. It's a custom sports steering wheel. All aftermarket gauges. It's got a Audiosounds custom radio. You can see it's got the custom kick panels in it. I've ordered new mats for it. They're just not here yet. Again, 700 R4 trans. It's dual exhaust. 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end. This all works, just unbolts and slides down. It's kind of cool on the sides. They've done that finish, so it actually makes the truck, you know, kind of usable. Just want to put something down if you're gonna lay something in the bed so you don't tear up that wood. Truck's nice and clean underneath. Got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom for you. It's kind of cool. They got the little bow tie and the brake light there. Yeah, I think this truck is just super cool, man. Boy, the seat's nice. They've done a nice job with this interior. Original owner's manuals in the trunk, or in the glove box, not the trunk. Sorry. Look how nice that dash is. Really pretty. Carpet's nice. Again, new mats are on the way. You can go ahead, Jordy. It's just a nice truck, man. I mean, look, just look at this truck, man. Very nice. Runs and drives excellent. That's just a good truck right there. I love that hood on these trucks. That front end just looks cool. Gauges are all functional. If you can read out on the miles there. Fuel gauge works. I don't think the backup lights work. Yeah, the little what do you call it, lights work though? License plate lights. It's a cool truck, man. What a cool truck.
You're probably not going to see
radio works, blower motor. I think you pull it. Nope, no, right here. Right here. Nope. Fan. Pull that. Kick on. I don't know if that's working, guys.
I don't feel it.
Again, I know the wipers aren't working. I love those turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way we can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. That is a nice truck, man. Have a great day, guys.